Well, let's get the exhaust out and get it all TIG welded up on the bench. Well, it's already out, but let me show you how to get it out. Here it is on the bench. Time to get it all tigged up. I got this portion all tigged up. My welds are decent. I mean, pretty good. But yeah, no, look at how big and beautiful this is though.
Hours later.
More like 2 days later, but we got it all TIG welded up. Everything's looking pretty good. Have these TIG welds, but everything's pretty solid. So it's looking good. Let's get her installed. Bam! It's back in. It's all TIG welded. It was super tight fit, but it all went back in. Added a couple cross braces, which you can see right there. It's pretty structurally strong. I don't think I'm gonna have to make any hangers for it because I mean it's bolted up here and it's bolted to the back of the manifolds and it just swoops under, so it's all good. The next thing to do is to mount this big old freaking precision wastegate. This thing's a 66mm precision turbo wastegate, of course. I'm thinking right around there, probably. So I'll have to chop the exhaust back out, put that in, but that'll be for another video. So keep it boosting. See you later. Comment, subscribe. Yeah, see you later.